here today, Governor Honorable Dulce Anne Hopper of Zamboanga, Sibuyan, Vice Governor Honorable Attorney Ray Andre Oligario, Board Member Honorable Richard Oligario, Board Member Honorable Attorney Marlo Bang